63-engine architecture. Overview. The 63-engine architecture is the core technical foundation of NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Enterprise, representing a comprehensive ecosystem of 63 specialized artificial intelligence engines that work collaboratively to deliver intelligent, autonomous, secure, explainable, and governance-driven enterprise solutions. Unlike conventional AI platforms that rely on a limited number of generalized components, the 63-engine architecture adopts a modular, distributed intelligence model. Each engine is designed to perform a distinct function while seamlessly collaborating with other engines through standardized interfaces, shared enterprise memory, knowledge repositories, governance frameworks, and intelligent orchestration services. The architecture transforms isolated AI capabilities into an integrated enterprise intelligence platform capable of perception, reasoning, learning, decision-making, governance, optimization, automation, and continuous evolution. Vision. To establish a next-generation enterprise AI architecture where specialized intelligence engines operate as a unified digital ecosystem, enabling trustworthy, explainable, scalable, and policy-driven autonomous intelligence for governments, enterprises, research institutions, and critical industries. Mission. The mission of the 63-engine architecture is to build a modular AI ecosystem, deliver enterprise-grade intelligence, enable explainable AI decision-making, integrate governance into every AI process, support secure and compliant automation, accelerate enterprise digital transformation, create reusable AI capabilities, provide scalable intelligence services across domains. Architectural philosophy. The architecture is based on the following principles: modular intelligence, distributed processing, shared enterprise memory, collaborative AI engines, explainable decision intelligence, governance by design, security by design, continuous learning, knowledge-driven reasoning, enterprise scalability, adaptive intelligence, responsible AI. Architecture layers. The 63-engine architecture is organized into multiple interconnected layers. Foundation layer provides the core infrastructure responsible for communication, orchestration, identity management, enterprise services, configuration, logging, monitoring, and system administration. Intelligence layer contains analytical, reasoning, prediction, planning, optimization, learning, recommendation, simulation, and decision intelligence engines. Memory layer maintains enterprise memory including working memory, long-term memory, episodic memory, semantic memory, organizational knowledge, historical intelligence. Knowledge layer responsible for knowledge graphs, enterprise ontologies, domain knowledge, knowledge discovery, knowledge validation, knowledge sharing. Governance layer implements enterprise governance, policy enforcement, compliance management, audit intelligence, risk governance, ethical AI, explainability. Security layer provides authentication, authorization, encryption, identity management, cybersecurity intelligence, threat detection, secure AI operations. Enterprise services layer supports workflow automation, process management, API integration, business intelligence, dashboard services, enterprise reporting, notification services. Engine categories. The 63 specialized engines are grouped into functional domains including core intelligence engines, responsible for perception, analysis, reasoning, planning, learning, prediction, optimization, and autonomous decision-making. Data intelligence engines, Manage data acquisition, validation, transformation, quality management, integration, synchronization, and enterprise analytics. Knowledge intelligence engines. Create, organize, validate, discover, and distribute enterprise knowledge. Memory intelligence engines. Provide persistent enterprise memory and contextual intelligence. Governance intelligence engines. Ensure compliance, transparency, explainability, accountability, policy enforcement, and ethical AI. Security intelligence engines. Protect enterprise assets through intelligent security management and continuous threat monitoring. Automation engines. Coordinate intelligent workflows, robotic process automation, orchestration, scheduling, and enterprise execution. Decision intelligence engines. Generate recommendations, evaluate alternatives, assess risks, and support strategic decision-making. Enterprise integration engines. Enable communication between enterprise systems, cloud platforms, databases, APIs, IoT devices, and external services. Engine collaboration. One of the defining characteristics of the architecture is collaborative intelligence. Rather than operating independently, every engine exchanges information through shared enterprise memory, governance policies, knowledge repositories, intelligent messaging, and orchestration services. This collaborative approach enables faster learning, improved accuracy, reduced duplication, and enterprise-wide situational awareness. Enterprise workflow. A typical enterprise workflow follows these stages. 1. Data collection. 2. Validation. 3. Classification. 4. Analysis. 5. Knowledge generation. 6. Memory storage. 7. Reasoning. 8. Prediction. 9. Risk assessment. 10. Policy validation. 11. Decision intelligence. 12. Workflow execution. 13. Monitoring. 14. Continuous learning. 15. Optimization. Cross-engine communication. The architecture enables shared enterprise memory, knowledge exchange, event-driven communication, API-based collaboration, message queue integration, real-time synchronization, distributed intelligence, autonomous coordination, enterprise capabilities. The 63-engine architecture provides autonomous intelligence, explainable AI, decision intelligence, predictive analytics, enterprise governance, intelligent automation, knowledge management, adaptive learning, continuous optimization, enterprise risk intelligence, security intelligence, business intelligence, scalability. The architecture supports cloud deployment, hybrid infrastructure, on-premises deployment, multi-cloud environments, edge computing, distributed processing, high availability, enterprise clustering, governance framework. Governance is embedded throughout the architecture by integrating policy management, compliance validation, ethical AI, explainable AI, audit intelligence, regulatory alignment, risk management, enterprise accountability, security framework. The architecture incorporates enterprise-grade security including zero trust architecture, multi-factor authentication, role-based access control, RBAC, encryption, secure APIs, identity governance, threat intelligence, security monitoring, incident response. Benefits. Organizations implementing the 63-engine architecture gain enterprise-wide AI platform, modular scalability, intelligent automation, faster decision-making, explainable AI operations, strong governance, improved compliance, enhanced cybersecurity, continuous organizational learning. Reduced operational complexity. Reusable AI services. Future-ready enterprise architecture. Industry applications. The architecture is suitable for government, smart cities, banking and finance, healthcare, education, manufacturing, retail, logistics, telecommunications, energy and utilities, insurance, transportation, defense, research institutions, large enterprises. Future evolution. The architecture is designed for continuous expansion through autonomous AI agents, multi-agent collaboration, cognitive intelligence, federated learning, quantum-ready computing, digital twin integration, explainable autonomous systems, self-evolving AI, cross-domain intelligence, adaptive enterprise governance. Why 63 engines? Each engine within the architecture has a clearly defined responsibility, enabling specialization, maintainability, scalability, and collaborative intelligence. This modular design minimizes complexity while maximizing flexibility, allowing organizations to deploy only the engines they require or the complete ecosystem for enterprise-wide intelligent governance. Together, these 63 engines form a unified AI platform capable of supporting the full life cycle of enterprise intelligence from data acquisition and analysis to reasoning, governance, decision-making, learning, optimization, and autonomous execution. Position within NeuroGov+. The 63-engine architecture represents the technological backbone of NeuroGov+, Advanced AI, Enterprise, and serves as the implementation framework for the IGA 2026, Intelligent Governance Architecture 2026, vision. It unifies specialized intelligence engines into a single collaborative ecosystem, enabling organizations to build trusted, explainable, secure, and governance-driven AI solutions that are scalable, adaptable, and ready for the future of enterprise intelligence. Document classification. Architecture name, 63 Engine Architecture. Category, Enterprise AI Architecture. Framework, NeuroGov+, Advanced AI, Enterprise. Architecture Standard, IGA 2026, Intelligent Governance Architecture 2026. Version, 1.0. Author, Dr. Pradeep K. Suri.